First you need two shapes out of paper, a cycle and a square. Cycle for diameter 12.5 and a square for side length 8.8. For this bag project you need 28 pieces out of a jeans fabric, and as the next step you put the square in the middle and just draw a line on the edges. Now you must do it on all 28 pieces, and I'll show you later why we did it. Next you need 28 pieces out of a fabric in a square form. Here you can use just leftover fabrics, be creative, just create something interesting and new. Now put 3 rows by 3 cycles to get you an idea of what this bag gonna look like. And here we have to connect directly on this line by stitching it together. First you need to stitch 3 cycles into 1 row. I'll show you here a trick how I do it. You just stitch a needle, and on the other side you can see where it is coming out. So when 2 lines meeting each other means you're in the right way and you can stitch. Now we have 1, 2, 3 rows. Stitch these rows together. Just use the same technique, using the needle to get lines together and just stitch them together. We have 2 pieces, front side of the bag and the back side of the bag. Of course our bag needs some volume. So we'll make 2 sides by using 2 cycles, using the same technique. And first you just stitch them together to the front side. Now it should look like that. So this is going to be our front side and the back side. Now it is where the fun part begins. Place little squares where you like them. Now I iron it in order to make all to be in its shape and form. Of course, don't forget sides. We need them too. One side and another side. I used here a zigzag stitch, and I will show you next step how it looks like when I do it on a sewing machine. Here I stitch from one corner to another and make a cross by every square of the fabric. Now I have here two parts, front and a back. In the next step I will stitch them together. Cut those pieces out of leather imitation or any other fabric you like. So these pieces we need for the bottom of the bag, for the bag handle. Cut off this fabric here because we don't need it. So this is the bottom of the bag, and I'll clamp it first, and when I will actually stitch it by hand, because so I have better feeling it holds properly and it's in the right place. Now I'd like to give the bottom of the bag a bit more hold. You can use a plastic piece or cardboard. I use here cardboard. And to make it stay where it's supposed to stay, I will just stitch it like that. So now we need handles. Now take one of the three stripes we just produced and cut it in the middle. Place the handles in the front and in the back. Cut the lining. For the better hold of fabric, I use fusible web to make it stronger. Don't forget to close the corners. Put the bag inside the lining. stitch it all around. For this bag I use magnet closure. Bag's sharp. It looks very difficult, but it's not. It's actually very easy, and if you've done it once, you know exactly how to do it.